Hey, this is I made a thing for Minecraft Video Boy. It's of course Minecraft kind of thing that came in mixed together. So if next time I see him, yeah, I will give it to him so we can put in videos. And I made. This one's not as good, but I still made it for me. And this last one I was just messing around with. I just friend Zachary, but it doesn't look very good though. So if he wants to ever see this, he can do whatever to see it. So bye.